Out of here. Get out of here,
bro.
You're trying to get out of it. You're taking my ticket.
I'm gonna hit you with something. I'm gonna hit you with something.
He's gonna hit me with something, he said.
I'm gonna hit you with something.
What are you gonna hit me with?
I'm gonna hit you with something.
Go on, hit me.
I'm gonna hit you with something.
What are you gonna hit me? You got a knife?
Get out of my way.
Do you have a knife?
Get out of my way, bro. Get out of my fucking way, dumbass.
No! You're coming behind me free. Fuck you. Just go back.
You're tripping out
Someone
on some
else.
kind of drugs or
Take a
something,
free
dude.
ticket from someone else.
I tapped my card.
You did not.
Yeah, I did.
Why are you behind me?
I got it.
Where's your card? Let me see it.
Right here.
I don't care. I'm not the police.
Move back, motherfucker. Hey, bitch. I'm gonna fuck your bitch ass up.
Get out!
Motherfucker.
Stay back. He's throwing shit at me now.
Fuck you up, bitch.